13 million rand, VAT included. This property located in Midstream Heights Estate, close to the paddle courts in Midstream Estate. This property offers quite a lot of special features and value. Let me show you. Come, have a look. You've seen two garages, but actually there's three. This two garages in front consist of a third one that we call the tandem garage that you can park in front. It's wider, and some special feature of this property is wheelchair friendly. That's not all the properties do have this special feature. Another thing in this property is everything that you've seen, all furniture is included. From the front door to the back door, everything that you see is included. Your wine is not included. You'll notice there's a few special bottles of wine here. Then, as you see, this open plan, nice double volume, opening up onto the living area, directly onto a beautiful pool. Look at this special kitchen, extractor fan, gas. Easy, workable, and something that's a bit different is a larger oven and also a bit longer gas plate. Still 5 burners, but a better quality and something that you can enjoy to cook easily and to entertain directly from here. You got a special like a prep bowl, also located on the side, not taking up too many space, and with a special cleaning on this tap. A lot of drawers, packing space. Coming into your pantry area, pantry on this side, scullery, laundry on this side, and then also your 3 garages coming from here. All the appliances that you see is included, a tumble dryer, washing machine, and a dishwasher as well. On this side of the property, we also have a staff accommodation with a separate bathroom. Something else that's nice on this property is the western windows, and some of the southern windows do have a double glazed window. That's a double window with a cavity in the middle, if I can explain it in easy terms, and that keeps the heat outside and keeps temperature inside. You do have space here for your double door fridge, plus a water connection point for ice maker, ideally just ready to plug and play. Coming into the guest room, first guest room on this side. Downstairs you'll find 2 bedrooms. On the one side is your main, and on this side is a guest room plus an ensuite bathroom, and then a guest toilet also for visitors. A linen cupboard on this side for your guests, easily to get towels, extra blankets, whatever you need will be here. Come and have a look at this. Also a bit bigger than standard, gibbeted toilets, floating vanities, and also quality taps and basins. Entering the guest room, that's also than your first bedroom, with your own door leading out to this little private patio area with a table, everything on the outside, dresser table, lots of cupboards, special feature mirror also in this bedroom. You got your TV points already fitted, extra plug points, and a beautiful ensuite bathroom with a shower, a basin and a toilet. Let's look on this garden area. As you can see, this is private. It's a bit separate from the rest of the property, but ideally for your guests to come and sit here, have their private space. Remember, this property, there's no transfer duties. So this is a VAT transaction. It means like it's newly built and you don't have transfer duties, only bond and attorney fees. The selling price on this is 13 million, that included. From your kitchen side, while you're busy preparing a meal, you can enjoy this lovely space. Big breakfast nook, and working from this, you can also see a bit separate family room with a big combustion fireplace, big wall unit with a TV already mounted, double volume with exposed trusses, beautiful chandeliers, and a beautiful entrance on this side towards a boma. Coming onto this boma area where you can make your, if you want to dry on the outside and on the inside, sit here, relax next to the pool, just have a beautiful quiet afternoon. This is also a rim flow pool. We haven't switched it on, but water is flowing over here, and just gives that extra peaceful atmosphere while you're sitting at your boma. Coming into this patio area, you'll notice that this is not a standard braai. This is an extra length and quite bigger than a standard size braai. Appliances, ice maker, enough space for all your wine glasses, beer glasses, whiskey glasses, anything you can think of. There's space for it, enough cupboard space. Opening up. And also on that side on top. We're back at the main entrance of the property. Coming in here, we'll go straight into the main bedroom. Let me show you that. Entering this main bedroom, immediately notice the higher door. It's nearly 2.4 meters high. Coming in here, you can go straight into the bedroom or walk through your dresser. Entering a beautiful ensuite bathroom. Again, notice the space. There's no stairs, any small steps, wheelchair friendly. At your dressing table, you got extra light and a wider drawer available. Sitting here, enough space to put on your socks or your shoes and some extra shelving for smaller things that you can think of. Also working from home, maybe in the evening want to do something quick, home office inside your main bedroom. Then also notice this double volume, exposed trusses, and this big volume glasses also for extra natural sunlight coming in here. TV point, TV already connected, in position, and direct from your main bedroom you can walk straight out to the swimming pool area. And this is also this extra sliders with the double volume, double glazed windows, as I explained on the other side. Notice the size on the bed, you can even go bigger, but this is already quite a big size bed with a small lounge area inside your bedroom. As you're coming in, you just feel the space, the natural flow. Everything just flows automatically. Let's look upstairs. Even your staircase is a bit wider and not a steep staircase, just a natural flow on your staircase. Another living area, private and secure, with your own balcony overlooking this big natural park. What a nice and beautiful afternoon. You'll notice this open field next to us, but you don't need to be afraid. Midstream is known for the best security, and also the effect of our double wall with the electric fences, the security that can patrol it, anything that makes it unique to this house and the location here in Midstream Heights Estate. The natural park or veld next to you is also a farmland for research, and nobody is going to build there. It's going to stay open, so you got this whole view and can see up to Monument Park and Pretoria. As far as the eye can see, it is open. I don't know if you guys can hear the guinea fowl and all the birds, the natural bird life here. Much respect. So on this, you got 3 bedrooms, all en suite. Let's start on this one. Bedroom number 1. Also dressing table, mirror, space where you can put on your shoes, and then also beautiful subway tiles, natural floating vanity, and Gibber toilets. Second bedroom upstairs, also direct from that balcony, your own dressing table, space for your where you put on your socks and your shoes, and then a full bathroom on this one, blue standing bath, give it a toilet, and then the same finishes straight through the subway tiles, each and every bathroom finished subway tiles that they used. Then bedroom 3. And the double volume built-in bed, lights, leading lights, and then enough suburbs. Again, there's space to sit down. To this wildlife park, natural park. The price on it is 13,000 per automatic mirror.